Stop scrolling. Seriously, stop. This might be the most important 2 minutes of your day. You have 24 hours in a day. 23.5 hours, you can do absolutely nothing. Sleep, eat, work, scroll on your phone, be lazy. But what if I told you that just 30 minutes is all it takes to transform your health? This isn't motivation, this is science. A massive study followed over 400,000 people for nearly a decade. Here's what they found. People who exercise just 30 minutes a day, and here's the key, brisk walking was enough, had a 40% lower risk of heart disease, a 50% lower risk of diabetes, and a 40% lower risk of dying early from any cause. Let that sink in for a second. Before I continue, quick question. On a scale of 1 to 10, how active are you right now? Type your number in the comments. I'll wait. Seriously, go type it. Alright, you're back. Here's what makes this even more powerful. Exercise beats most medications for preventing disease, and it works faster than antidepressants for mild to moderate depression. Why? Because moving your body releases dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins, the exact same chemicals that make you feel happy, focused, and alive. But here's the problem. Most people think they need to be perfect all day. They think one missed workout ruins everything. That is wrong. Completely wrong. The truth is, you have 23.5 hours to be imperfect, to sit, to rest, to be human. You only need 30 minutes of movement. That's it. Dr. Mike Evans, who created the famous 23.5 hours video, said it best. And I want you to really hear this. The single best thing you can do for your health is not a pill. It's not a supplement. It's not a diet. It's 30 minutes of moderate exercise daily. And here's the best part. You don't need a gym, you don't need expensive equipment, you just need to walk briskly every day. So the question isn't, do I have time? The question is, can I afford not to? 30 minutes, that's 2% of your day, and it could add years to your life. If this video is making you think differently about your health, hit that subscribe button right now. Don't wait until the end, do it now. Here's my challenge to you, tomorrow. Just walk for 30 minutes. No phone, no music, just walk. Feel the difference. And after you do it, come back to this video and comment, I walked. I will personally like every single one. Subscribe again if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.